How to type bold text on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on What's on Your Mind at the top. After that, type in what you want to type in bold text. If you type, there's no option to simply select it to bold text, so simply select the text and copy it. After that, go to Google and search bold text. Click on the first link that pops up, bold text generator. In here, paste the topic you copied earlier. As you can see, it's in bold at the bottom. Copy that. Then go back to your Facebook. In here, paste the topic you copied earlier. Press on next at the top right corner of your screen and then post it. This is how to type bold text on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.